Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question which is viral in the internet. So you have already done this. Go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart and I will solve this stepwise. So here first we will write again 3 square. First, as we know, PEMDAS exponential have the higher priority, so we will do this square part. 7 minus 2 into 3 times 3, which equals to 9. 3 square which equal to 9. So we will have written 9. 7 minus 92, which is 18. Okay. Now as we know, 7 minus 18, 18 is the bigger one. Okay. So what will be the right answer? So which will be minus 11. So here minus 11 is the right answer. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching, and check out best books in the description.